Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Zoom to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, direct messages, and some tips. From here we just have to go into a channel and then tap on Connect Apps. Then the app is going to load a bit. But after that we can just scroll down and under the daily tools section tap on Zoom. Again, it's going to load a little bit, but afterwards we can just tap on Add to Slack, and then we can have Zoom in the Slack app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.